Hello student of class 11, this is the video of chapter GP. Let A be the first term of GP. GP means geometric progression. Like AP, GP is another series. The common ratio is equal to R. In AP, I have common difference, and in GP, we have common ratio. Let A be the first term and the common ratio is R, then its nth term equal to Tn, this equal to A R to the power n minus n, and sum of n terms, this equal to A is equal to A R to the power n minus 1 by R minus 1 when R minus 1 to 1, that means greater than minus 1 and less than 1, and this equal to A1 minus R to the power n by 1 minus R when R greater than what or R less than minus 1. Okay. If X be the geometric mean, then we have X in between AB. So here common ratio is same. So I can write X by A, that means second term by first term equal to third term by second term. That means x square equal to AB, that means x equal to plus minus root over AB. Right? Like AP, if three terms are in AP, then I will take the three terms in this way: A by R, A and AR. Okay? And if 5 terms are in OK, then if 3 terms are in GP, then I will take 3 terms in this way. If 5 terms are in OK, then we have A by R, that is AR square, this is square. A by R square. Okay. I will get it in this way: A by R square, A by R, AR square. Right? If I will go to the sum. The second term of A, GP is B, and the common ratio is R. If the product of the first 3 terms of the GP is 64, then find B. That means the second term of the GP, one thing, if the terms of GP are AR square whole to the power AR to the power n minus 1. This is n term. I can write it in this way, AR square. A is the first term and R is common ratio. Then second term is AR. Then third term is AR square. So T1 equal to A, T2 equal to AR. So I will get R equal to T2 by T1. This equal to AR by A. This equal to R. Okay. T3. I can write it AR equal to AR 2 minus 1. This is AR square. This can be written in this way, 3 minus 1. So TA equal to AR n minus 1. Okay. I think it is clear to you. I will go to the sum. If second term of an AP is B, if the common difference, common ratio, that means common ratio is R. Second term is, that means second term, this is equal to B, it is given. And if the product of the first three terms of the GP is product of three terms of GP, this is equal to 64. Let three terms be A by R, A and AR. Here A equal to B and A by R into A and AR. This equal to 64. So R cancel out. AB equal to 64. This is equal to 4Q. So A equal to 4. That means B equal to 4. We have to find B. B equal to 4. This will be the answer. This sum is under a very short answer type question. Second sum, find out Q9 and Q terms of GP. This is second sum. 4 minus 8 plus 6 minus 32. This is the given series. We have to find the ninth term of the series and fifth term of the series. Here A equal to 4 and common ratio R equal to, common ratio is equal to R is equal to minus 2. That means minus A equal to, this is equal to minus 2. So T9 equal to A R to the power 9 minus 1, that means A R to the power 8. A is 4 and this equal to minus 2 to the power 8. Minus 1 I can written in this way, minus 1 whole to the power 8, 2 to the power 8 into 2 to the power 2. This is equal to minus 1 whole to the power 8 equal to plus 1, 2 to the power 10. This is equal to 1024. Okay. And what is TQ? TQ equal to A R to the power Q minus 1. Here A equal to 4 and R equal to minus 2 whole to the power Q minus 1. That is minus 1 whole to the power Q minus 1. 4 equal to 2 to the power 2. 2 to the power Q minus 1 plus 2 is equal to minus 1 whole to the power Q minus 1 into 2 to the power Q plus 1. Right? If the third sum, if the P plus Q term of a GP is A and P minus Q term of B, then determine fifth term. Let first term be X and common ratio is equal to Y. So I can write TP plus Q is equal to X because we know t a equal to a r to the power n minus 1. Okay, and t minus q is equal to x y to the power p minus q minus 1. This equal to a and this equal to b. It is given. So, if I multiply a into b, then I will get x, y, p plus q minus 1 into x into y to the power p minus q minus 1. X to the power 2, y to the power p plus q minus 1 plus p minus q minus 1. So this cancel out, is equal to x to the power 2, y to the power 2, p minus 1. This can be written x, y to the power p minus 1, 2. This is equal to tp square. Okay, that means this equal to p star tp square. So we have tp square equal to ab. That means tp equal to plus minus root ab. Clear? If three unequal positive numbers a, b, c, this is next sum, unequal positive numbers, then show that a plus c greater than 2b. A, B, C are in GP. Given A, B, C are in GP. So I can write B by A equal to C by B. That means B square equal to AC, that is B equal to root AC. I can write. We have to prove A plus C minus 2B is greater than 0. That means we have to prove A plus C minus 2 AB greater than 0. A plus C, we have A plus C minus 2 root AC. This is AC. This equal to this plus this minus 2. This equal to root A minus root C whole square. This always greater than 0. Always greater than 0. But greater than equal to 0 if root A minus root C equal to 0, that means A equal to C. But here it is given A, B, C are the different number. So this is impossible. So I can write root over A minus root over C whole square is greater than 0. That means A plus C minus 2AC greater than 0. So A plus C greater than 2AC, this equal to 2B. So I can write A plus C greater than 2B. I think it is clear to you. I am ending here.